My name is Charles Daley, and I'm with Avino Silver and Gold Mines. We're a silver producer in Mexico. We just recently started production full-time in October of 2012, and we're on pace to produce about 700,000 ounces of silver this year. We're one of the older companies on the TSXV Venture Exchange. We got to Mexico in 1968 and produced continuously until 2001 when the price of silver was only $4 an ounce and we were forced to shut the mine down. Subsequently, we have done a lot of development on the property, and we've actually opened a new mine called the San Gonzalo mine, which is about 2 kilometers away from the mill, and that's where the source of our current production is coming from. By this time next year, we'll have reopened the main Avino mine, and we're looking to produce at 1,000 tons a day there. When the mine shut down in 2001, we had been averaging about 1.7 million ounces annually of silver equivalent, and we're looking to resume operations at roughly the same outputs. We're in Durango, Mexico, just about an hour drive outside of the city of Durango. There's a paved road right to the mine. We've been operating there for, like I mentioned, quite a long time, so we've got a lot of very good long-standing relationships in the area, which has made doing business there for us very easy. We generally think Mexico is second to none as far as attracting mining companies. Comparatively speaking, with Canada and the US, it's very friendly for miners, and they've done really everything they can to make life easy for us, so we're very happy to be there. Well, I think at the moment we're in a real sweet spot as far as beginning production and ramping up production. So I think there's really a lot of upside at this point. The market hasn't really taken notice of the fact that we are in production now. And if you look at some of the peers that are producing what we're going to be producing in the next couple of years, you can see a lot of them have market caps between $200 and $400 million. We're currently valued at $40 million. So if we achieve what we're setting out to do, we should be in that peer group as well, and valued the same way. We're going to be coming out with the new NI 43-101 resource estimate on both the San Gonzalo mine and the main Avino mine, probably in April of this year. We've also announced recently that we've added a new 250 ton per day circuit to the mill, so that will ramp up our production from San Gonzalo as well. In the next year, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be reopening the main Avino mine, which should really increase the output of our operation. I'd say stick with it. I think the same fundamentals that are, drove up the silver prices and gold prices are still very prevalent today. Nothing's really changed. I think, patience is really a virtue in a market like this.